Hey everyone, and thank you for tuning into your Stock Motivator. I'm going to get right into it today, and because I've been super busy, you guys are going to join me as I climb the stairs. So ignore the moving background. Now, if you were all watching the stock market yesterday, as most of you do, you would have saw what happened on May 9th. Now, they are already calling May 9th, get this now, they're calling May 9th the massacre of the meme stock. And with Palantir dropping 21%, AMC down to $11, and the IWM dropping $7, they might be right. They might be right. Now, what I'm going to be watching is that IWM, because if you watch the Russell Small Cap and you've been a keen observer of it for the last year or two or longer, you know that little guy hasn't quite moved from the $98 range to the $112 for nearly a year. Then suddenly it went up to $134. And then from $134, it's been running all the way up to, it was over $200. Now the IWM today, last I checked, was at 175. Look, guys, I am expecting it to drop down to that key level again, which gives us a huge opportunity for the puts coming this week, actually over the next month. I honestly think with the way the market is looking, we're going to have another 6 months of this pretend to be sideways consolidation, pretend to be sideways consolidation, then bank you for 30 minutes. They pretend like the stock is going to go up on a Wednesday. So everybody buys calls. And then they tank afterwards. I mean, look what happened to Facebook last week, guys. Facebook ran to $224. It was at $202. Ran the 24 before the Fed talk. And then was back down to $206 the very next day. And ended the week at $203. This is what they do, folks. They're gonna go after the heavier hitters now that they've really reduced the small caps. That doesn't mean the small caps cannot get reduced further. Remember, trade smart, no FOMO. And just because a stock is reduced now, folks, and listen to me on this. Just because a stock is reduced right now, it doesn't mean it cannot and will not be reduced by another 50% within a week. And if it can be reduced by 50% once, then it can be reduced by 50% again. So folks, all-time lows compared to the all-time highs of last year's with the stock market. Remember, SPY hit 77 all-time highs last year. It hasn't hit one this year. Thank you for tuning in. I am your Stock Motivator. Like, share, and subscribe, and have a great trading day.